Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable announcements on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here. You click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your name here, so you click on it on your profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on name and phone numbers, email. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to announcement, click in this sign. Like you see color show for us, that's mean announcements enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.